Guys, welcome back to our channel. We are making a video today inside my house. I'm sorry for being quiet, but my dad is sleeping, so we're kind of going to have to be quiet. But today we are doing a challenge of who can make a prettier slime. So we've got some glue, we've got some white glue, some clear glue, some shaving cream. We also have pink glue and glow-in-the-dark yellow. We have some food coloring right here. We have some blue balls and white balls. We have some lotion, paint, and glitter in there. We have some glitter in there. And that's it. Our containers. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the glue. Let's see. I'm going to choose what color I want. There's white paint and black paint. Let's see. I want red. Actually, okay, that's good. Okay, let's do blue and red. So I'm gonna make two different colored slimes. Is that like a dark blue or is that black? What? That's black. That's white. Okay. No, actually, I want to do purple and blue. That's gonna be pretty. No, actually, I want to do red and blue because that's gonna. I'm gonna take the blue. Okay, for a second. Oh shoot, I'm gonna go get a stirring sticks. I'm gonna go get a stirring sticks. Guys, I forgot stirring sticks. I'm gonna go get them. Yep. Okay guys, so I got our stirring sticks. I'm going to, first I'm gonna try and open the blue. I'm just gonna put a little bit of clear glue to make it like glossy. I think I might do that too. I cannot open this. Here, we'll switch. Let's see if we can open it. Okay guys, we couldn't open these, but we finally got them open. So let's add them in. I think I'm gonna do blue and purple. I'm gonna do that. So that's gonna like make a darker purple-ish. It's kind of gonna be a navy blue or so. Oh, right here. Okay guys, so I added my blue and I didn't add a lot. When you make the slime, if you make it a slime smoothie, or are you just gonna add red to it? I'm adding purple. I know, but if it's already blue. Oh, it's not a slime smoothie. I'm just adding a little bit to make it a little bit glossy. Kind of looks like gel. I got it open. Yay. And I'm gonna add a little bit of clear glue too. Guys, it's so glossy now. So there's one see. Oh, it is so glossy. Now I'm going to add. That looks so cool. Look at it. I know, with the blue and then it's got like a hole in it. I might have overactivated it. Hopefully not, because I don't want to add any more glue. Yeah, you're able to like do overactivate it. Actually, I'm not for sure. Guys, I might have overactivated. Add a little bit more blue, but I'm going to this slime now. I really hope this turns out pretty. I'm just going to put that right there. Whoa, it's like a periwinkle. That is so pretty. I'm going to need my slime. It's so weird. Look at it now. That is so pretty. Guys, my slime's so pretty. Oh, I still have like a bunch of white glue at the bottom. Guys, I overactivated mine. Okay, hopefully I don't overactivate mine, but I'm gonna throw in my activator. I think I might throw in a little bit of glitter. That should be enough. Here, I didn't activate it and I think I need glue. It looks like cottage cheese. Ew. And if it was red, it'd be like brain nuts. I didn't add a lot, but hopefully it kind of. I'm gonna have to add some more glue, guys. I'm gonna activate it. Okay, can you open this? My hands are a little bit like messy. Ew. Yeah, sorry. It's like, oh, funny. I think I might add a little bit of pink glue to this. Just need a little bit. Mine's kind of turning into slime. Mine's already is kind of slime. This is overactivated slime. So guys, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of pink glue, but only a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take out the lid because that was not working. I was only gonna put in a little bit, but then you couldn't see the pink, so.
I don't have any. There's no pink paints, guys.
I wish there was.
It's becoming slime, but there's pink food dye.
No, it's okay. I wanted to put it around mine. And it's pink, so I just not use pink. Mine's so glossy. I think I might add some white full balls.
I think I might add more glue.
I think you're right right there.
At least it's becoming slime.
I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Guys, this activator's so strong. It's tied.
Yeah, like I barely added it.
It's so strong.
Okay.
The pink glue's starting to come in. Yay! It's gonna be more purple.
Guys, this should work now.
I guess mine's ready to knead.
Now I don't really want to touch it because it looks really weird.
It looks better than it did.
Yes. Guys, it's actually becoming slime.
I guess I should have pulled up my sleeve before I
Put that
touched it.
down. And I already touched mine. Short sleeves. So guys, here's my white base slime so far.
Oh, mine's so cool at the bottom.
Oh yeah, you can see it. It looks cool.
And it's still white. Guys, I'm glad I put my hand in here, but I'm kind of not. Because this is so goopy. Like, look at this. It's so goopy.
I'm so gonna have
Natalie's
to.
is not that sketchy. At least hers came together.
Yeah.
I need more. Can you put more activator in mine?
More activated.
Just a little bit, though.
Guys, I don't want to stop.
I just need a little bit
In
there.
your hands. Sorry. Here, I'll take some. That was so weird. Oh.
Well, I guess they're both going to have overactivated slime.
Well, you do have more glue.
Yeah, I do, but this part's going to be overactivated.
There's some activator in there.
And some on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is going to activate it kind of like water.
Yeah, it just activates.
Yeah.
So we'll see when we get our slimes.
Oh, Natalie overactivated my slime.
And I'm really sorry.
But I'm going to add some shaving cream in this slime.
I'm going to add some lotion. Because I really desperately need it.
And I desperately needed shaving cream. Oh, jeez.
There's one on the floor.
Shaving cream's going to make my slime so good. It's so
I just
good.
like,
Ew. Mine kind of farted. Did you hear it?
it's because it's in a fart.
Guys, the weird thing is I'm actually making my slime in a flarp container. And if you don't know what flarp is like a putty. If you take it out of the container and you push it back in, it farts. And 2 years ago, my friend Mackenzie pranked Natalie with pink flarp.
And here's my slime.
Okay guys, so mine's actually turning into slime, finally. I still have some white spots, like a bunch.
I have a bunch of white spots too.
Yours is all white. Hey guys, but guess what? It's snowing really hard right now.
Yeah.
Comment down below if you guys got snow if you guys are getting snow right now.
Look at how bad this row is. It doesn't even stick together.
Are you still needing yours from the lotion?
Kind of. Because some of it got in the floor.
Guys, I'm gonna finish mixing my shaving cream, and then like I'm gonna add some lotion because my slime's not that sticky.
Oh, my scent smells good.
So does mine. Because
Why
my
does
shaving
it, like,
cream
if it's,
smells so good.
why don't, like, see, this lotion's, ew. See, this lotion's, like, colored, it's a pink color. Why does it color this slime?
Probably because you don't add a lot.
Well, like, if you use a whole bottle of it.
Yeah, then it will. Like, if you only, like,
Ew.
feels like a lot, then maybe, then it probably won't color the slime.
Guys,
My hands are so messy.
this is so gross.
My slime's actually slime, yay! But it's overactivated, yay! So neck go right there.
You know, I'm the only one today who overactivated slime.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You saw me only adding a little bit, and then you come over and
Your
maybe,
slime is so much bigger than mine.
and then you come over and dump like a handful of activator in.
I need a lot of lotion, guys.
So why? My hands are so messy. I almost touched your hair with my dirty hands, which would have been disgusting.
I really want to make a glitter bomb.
What's a glitter bomb?
You'll see. It's so cool.
And with slime?
Yeah.
Don't you add just a bunch of glitter to slime?
You'll see.
I need this lotion. That's okay.
Oh, I kind of saved it, actually. Guys, mine's kind of becoming slime.
Mine actually turned purple because I had a lot of lotion. But like not when we were talking like the full bottle. Because Natalie's using it too, so I had to save some for her.
I still need more.
So do I probably still do too. It's not even sticking together now.
I totally missed my slime.
You guys never like got lotion on the floor. But that's okay, because you could just pick it up with your white slime. That should be good.
It's kind of turning pink.
Mine's periwinkle.
Periwinkle.
Guys, if you don't know the color periwinkle, you can just mix blue and purple and it'll make this bright color.
Guys, it's turning slime. Look it. Look
That
it.
is really
Look it. Look it.
pretty. And hopefully mine becomes stretchy from this lotion.
I feel like mine's just going to be like lotion. Because I've added so much.
And guys, I just remembered I do not have blue food coloring. Well, I do. It's just like really dark.
Do you hear that crack?
Yeah. Is it stretchy? Kind of.
This is also fluffy, so.
Yeah, mine's like not that stretchy because I added like some shaving cream to make it thicker.
Guys, this lotion is not working that well. It made it stick together, but I think I have to add a little bit more glue, like a little. So I'm going to make it into a bowl.
Good
Oh.
idea to add some glue.
Yeah.
Mine's kind of not sticking from the lotion. I think that's good. And I add a little less. Oh, this is still pretty heavy.
Guys, this is working so much better. Oh, there's where there isn't a ball, but.
Yeah, because mine won't stick. That's good.
I want gel stronger than lotion.
I think glue is stronger than lotion.
Huh?
I think glue is stronger than
I
lotion.
said gel.
Oh, I thought you said glue.
Because I was thinking about it. And gel kind of looks like clear glue.
It kind of does. Guys, mine's coming together so well.
Yeah, and mine's so glossy.
This will look so pretty with just maybe a couple white foam balls.
I think mine has a foam ball in it.
Natalie has one foam ball. Nice and stretchy. A little bit. You could still hear it's like a few crunchy, but that's
Look,
okay.
mine's getting heavier. It's actually becoming real slime.
Mine sounds like kind of heavy too, but
Oh, it got in my container. Oops. stuck on tape. Can't wait to crack
My slime's
it.
not that heavy yet. Guys, as you could tell, my slime wasn't as heavy as I wanted it to be.
I love glossy slime.
I know, it's so pretty.
And I have some
Like,
brown thing in it.
The weird thing is about my slime, it feels stretchy, but it's not.
Ew.
Like, I never really feel this. Does it feel stretchy?
Yeah.
See?
It's very cracky.
Did you guys see that? Like, mine's like super cracky.
Dude, mine's perfect.
No.
Here, look. Play with it. We'll switch slides.
Could you fix my slime if you could?
Yeah.
Thank you. Like, make it stretchier.
Yeah, you can. So we'll show you when we fix our slimes.
Okay, guys, so our slimes are finished and they are super stretchy. I'm surprised they turned out stretchy.
We're just going to add the finishing touches of what we want.
So we're gonna keep these glitter and foam balls out. We're gonna make a shaving cream on containers.
My container fell. Oh my fucking God.
We're gonna take back all the glue and put it back here.
You know someone else
And
wants
take what we have. We have to leave like the food coloring out because that's a glue glitter in it. I think my slime. Guys, I think this slime would look really pretty with blue foam balls, so that's what I'm going to add. But I'm only gonna add a little bit.
I just want to add a little bit of shaving cream. Oh, that so needed to be shaken up before I add it. Guys, it feels so weird.
Okay,
Smells
so
good.
guys, I added my foam balls. Now it's time to mix. I think this video was a success, even though we overactivated our slimes.
But we're still not done yet.
Yeah, we're still not done, but I think it's a success right now. So hopefully this doesn't turn to a fail, which I don't think it will.
Gonna
Because the
split my two
slime
slimes.
smells great.
So it needs a little bit more. This one's gonna be blue. First I'm gonna play with it. The other one will be red. I have so much like things on my hand, like different things from my slime.
Thing. I'm gonna like make
Make it
these a
slime
different
smooth.
color. Do you have green in there?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna
That's
add
the
a
green
little
food
bit.
coloring that's stronger.
It's okay, I'll use this because I already used the paint earlier. I wanna make this one teal.
What is over here?
Well, a dartboard. Oops. Look what I did. That one.
One sec. Mason, Miley. That's what I did, but mine's got a B shape. Okay. I don't want it to be too blue.
I want mine to be teal, but not like a really teal. But if it's like too much green, I'll probably add some more blue. But hopefully I don't get any on my hands.
Yeah. At least paint like comes off.
Yeah.
This is way too light. It still looks white.
I don't even know if this is even gonna turn teal. Like, I thought my slime was gonna be a fail, but actually it turned out to be a good success. So I think we're good.
But we have to wait till we are done with the video.
Yep, because we are not done with our
Kind of looks like an
slime.
alien.
Oh, kind of does. I
I
think
wanna
I
make
might
some
put more
sleeping
blue in
with
this one and then mix them together and make a bigger teal color.
Yeah, that looks so pretty. Look how pretty.
I think this is gonna turn out green and I have to add blue.
Well,
Guys, I think this is turning out to be green. But at least there's blue paint.
or you can just add it to that one because you said you wanted a bigger one.
Yep, guys, this turned out to be a boring green slime. Oh, I figured out what made it non-stretchy. It's the paint.
Really? Because mine's stretchier.
Really?
Yeah.
Might have been the colors.
They're from the same set.
Yeah,
See? Mine's way stretchier.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Maybe just you had a lot more paint than me because
Yeah,
you had blue and purple or anything. Add that to the blue one, this one. This one seems like it got stretchier. Actually, I'm not
I
sure.
think I might let this one sit while I add
This
some of
one's
the
so
blue.
stretchy.
Ooh, I'm gonna steal the blue from you.
I still need it. So it's gonna be like a blue one and a green one to make it two. And yes. At least we still have a big bottle of blue paint. Oops. Here, I need it.
There you go.
Mine's like a really pretty blue, but too light.
Yeah, like the cool thing about periwinkle. Oopsie. Guys, the cool thing about periwinkle is when you put it up to blue or purple, if you put it up to purple, it looks more purple. But if you put it up to blue, it looks more blue.
Gonna dye my other one red, guys. I'm so excited. Oh. This is also gonna need more lotion. Or more glue. Either one will still be good.
Guys, I spilled paint on the floor and I don't think it's coming off.
Watch. Roll it. Like that.
Yeah. I was gonna say you could use that too. Should I turn the light on?
Yes.
Okay, guys, so I turned the light on and it looks much better.
Yes.
And my slimes look so much prettier.
You can see the
and
blue one and the white one.
And the stuff's not so dark anymore. I think I need a little bit more blue paint.
You do.
Just a little bit. There. That looks orange.
It says red.
That's orange. No, that's red. Now I see it.
Whoa, guys. This looks so pretty.
Guys, you see the foam balls blowing.
Look how pretty that looks.
So guys, I think this video was a success. Now we have to finish. I think that's gonna turn out pink.
Hopefully.
But pink and blue still make purple. So I think I am ready. Here is my blue one. I know it kind of looks purple,
Look
but
at the marble.
oh, that is pretty.
Oh, sorry, blow it.
Oops, sorry guys.
You can add some more lotion if you need to.
There's
Look
the
it!
blue. Oh, is that
Oh, it feels so weird.
oh, that is so weird.
Oh, I took it.
Guys, I think if I play with this more, it's gonna get harder, but let's just see. So I'm gonna play with the green one for a little bit and see what happens. And let the blue one sit.
Foam balls go everywhere. Okay. I still have to make my glitter bomb too, guys. Where'd the lotion go?
I told you I was gonna turn out pink. I think I need more lotion.
Why? This keeps getting on my pants. We are almost done, guys. Mine's actually becoming a lot better. That's shaving cream? That's lotion.
Oh, that's shaving cream.
No, that was lotion.
Oh.
Because it was a...
It's looking at the thing. I put it up. Oh.
Guys, this is so much better.
And this is so messy. And it turns so much watery. Like, if you add lotion to your slime, it makes it stretchier. But if you get foam balls, this happens.
Guys, I think I want to add some food dye because food dye kind of melts slime. Paint like kind of activates it. Or makes it tougher. I think my red one's really good. Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm just gonna add a little. Really? I'm gonna add a little bit of food dye.
We need the dark blue. The dark blue. Here. No.
I like my two colors. It looks like cotton candy.
Here, I'll show you how to open it. Open it like this. So then you don't get food coloring on yourself.
Oh, you notice you've already told me that. Yeah. We don't want this one on the floor. Oh, it got stuck on the hill, but now it's going around the corner.
And I picked it up, so it's not going to fall on the floor.
And I did not add enough. Actually, there it is.
Guys, look at that.
It looks so pretty. Especially with the blue. Our blues are kind of the same color.
Yeah, almost.
Except yours is purple.
Mine started out periwinkle. I think I'm going to get this until like the blue fades in. See, the blue's already faded right there.
I'm adding a little bit more pink. That looks cool.
I think the foam balls made it less. I think the foam balls made it less stretchy because the slime still has to stay around the foam balls to like make the foam balls stay in. So I think that
guys, my
makes
brush
it
is becoming really pretty.
not stretchy. And I don't have any blue coloring on me yet. Yay! Normally when I play with food coloring, it normally gets all over me.
The pink one is all done.
Don't touch it.
Except I still need my glitter ball. I just added green, guys. Oh, wait. Guys, it's
That's
blue
a
and
mixture
green.
of blue and green.
At least I didn't add too much.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Guys,
I'm
my
gonna add
blue
this
is
one.
finished. It looks so pretty. So there's the blue. Time to work with the green.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add.
Oh, that looks so cool.
It does.
The lotion might make it turn brown.
Yeah, but the lotion doesn't show them.
Yeah, but it might.
Okay, now I'm gonna make my glitter bombs. Do you have any blue glitter?
I used to.
Okay. I'm just gonna use this one because yeah. Why do you have the bag in?
Because it would spill out.
Okay guys, so I got this pretty silver one. Open it. It's not even open.
You have to take off the cap. Okay guys, I think I'm going to add some of the food coloring to make it more of a green. This blue's so pretty. Now look at this blue, it's so pretty.
Okay.
It's super stretchy.
Are you ready?
No, I still gotta add my.
I don't think I had enough. But
I still gotta add this too.
no, but are you ready for me to do it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I didn't add enough.
Enough what?
I'll just do it again. Guys, comment down below if you can whistle because I can't really whistle.
I can't even whistle.
Okay, so this is my slime up close. Okay, guys, so I'm going to make another glitter bomb. But I have this white glitter instead of the...
And guys,
tomato straw.
I'm finished mixing up my green and it's super stretchy. Like, look at this. And it's like super stretchy.
Since this one's small, I'm gonna have that much and do my glitter bomb.
Okay, guys, mixing this slime. I hope this turned out pretty.
Guys, these glitters on here feel so weird. Because they're square. Okay. Now we just have to swirl these two slimes. That looks like the earth. It does. There's one swirl.
Guys, this slime looks like the earth.
The earth. Earth. Okay, guys, those are my two slimes. Guys, it looks like Superman. It's so pretty. Guys, that looks like a lollipop.
Kind of does.
Watch, ready?
Looks like cotton candy.
Watch how cool this looks.
Like, go like this with it.
Hopefully the color doesn't turn out bad.
It's gonna be purple.
Yeah, but like not ugly purple. I think that's what it's
It's
gonna
turning
be.
teal. I just want to see the real color.
Okay, guys, mine's mixing really fast.
So is mine.
It's still now. It's got purple, blue, and pink.
Mine's still got blue, green, and got some teal.
Guys, I think it's stretchy when I mix them.
I think this turned out to be more green. I think I need more blue. See what I mean?
Just use a drop of food dye. Oh, you still have some blue. Mine's so pretty. I want to make a really pretty swirl to show you guys and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so here's my swirl. I'm just gonna add a
lavender.
little bit of.
It's so pretty.
That one. Whoa. This looks so pretty, guys. I'll show you a close up. So it's got some like glitters on it, and it has some like white tiny glitters. It is so pretty. Now let's do some ASMR.